Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some more amazing tool deals to share with you. We have a bunch of Vavor deals that are super amazing, and then we have some non-Vavor deals that I also want to share with you. Look, I don't know what's going on with the Vavor people, the people running their selling accounts. They're on drugs or something, but if they're going to give us those kind of deals, I'm all for it. Really good stuff. Everything's going to be linked down below. And by the way, the other ones, I bought the mag drill and I bought the SDS. And both have shipped. They gave FedEx tracking numbers, but they haven't showed up. So far, so good. At least the orders didn't get canceled because those were just stupid good deals. Starting off, we're on the automotive deals page. And I wanted to show you this Vavor item. 23 by 13 by 8 inflatable paint spray booth. Starts out $600. I know, very expensive. But 50% promo code goes through June 1st if it lasts that long. So you're only going to pay $299.99. Comes with a couple of the blowers. It's almost like one of those bounce houses, except for instead of jumping on it, you're driving a car into it. And I feel like it may be a little niche for a paint spray booth. I don't know how many of you guys need it for that. But it's like a cool pop-up shelter for all sorts of stuff. And the little fan things keep it going. And then it's not like a permanent fixture, you know what I mean? And you're done with it, you flip the switch and it collapses, okay? So I just think it's a really good deal and kind of a neat item. And I'm sure you can find other things to do with it. Oh, also, we have the sound deadening mat. Now, remember, they had the, I think it was 25 square feet before, and it was about $15. This is only 10 square feet, so it is a little bit less, but $9.90 is pretty good price on this stuff. It's always very expensive. And we did a video on the second channel. Ooh, I don't know if it's been published yet. Yeah, you probably can't see that yet, but hopefully soon. I don't know when that is. All right, so that's the automotive deals page. Now, over to the home improvement page, a couple of things I want to point out to you. We have the Vavor ultrasonic cleaner down to just $9.99. Again, these are sale prices, so you don't need a promo code, don't need a coupon, and also you can buy more than one because it's just a sale price. We have the garage door screen. This is a 16 by 7. That's down to $19.99. But I want to show you this space heater, $5.99. Where can you buy a space heater for $5? It says normally $38.99. They are kind of expensive. 1500 watt. I like it. Buy it off season. That's when you get the best deals. Now, outdoor deals. I thought this thing was kind of cool just because it's $13.49. I don't know how many people need that, but okay. The Vavor sand filter for like a pool. Normally $160 down to $91.99. And then we have the cordless hedge trimmer. Now this should be, pay close attention, should be the same battery and charger as the SDS deal, the grinder deal, the buffer deal that we've seen. So if you picked up any of those, you may already have batteries and chargers to go with this, and this is a full kit, so you're adding to the collection. However, I did see a Vavor listing that was a 20-volt tool. That was a totally different color scheme. It was red, not like this thing where it's kind of like an orangey, burnt orange. No, red, like this. So I don't know if that battery would be the same because it's weird it'd be a different color scheme. So fingers crossed, hopefully would make sense. This is normally $59.99, but then a $20 coupon. So $39.99 for the hedge trimmer and a full kit. So I really like that deal as well. I think that was the last Vavor thing on this page. So now on to the individual deals. Oh man, there's some really good ones. Really good ones. You're going to have your wallet in hand. Broadcast spreader, 60-pound walk-behind turf spreader, 8-inch wheels, steel push fertilizer spreader. So again, Vavor item, $69.99, but a 45% promo code, a 10% coupon on the page. We're taking 55% off. You're going to be at about $30. Free shipping for the Prime members. Probably free shipping for everyone at that price. Is it $25 or $35 for everyone else to get free shipping? You'll find something else. You're going to get free shipping no matter what. But still springtime. It's perfect time of year to pick up something like this. Get it on sale while you can use it. Don't even have to wait till off season. Now look at this one. Look at this one. Wood chisel set. A 12-piece chisel set with eucalyptus handles. Oh boy. 50% off. Normally $30. $30 is not a bad price, assuming some level of competency with the chisels, which, by the way, 958 reviews, 4 out of 5 championship belts, so can't be total trash. $29.99. There's a 50% coupon on the Amazon page right now. Coupons, they can expire anytime for any reason, so if you see something you like, you buy it now. You don't wait till later. You wait till later, you'll be a big crybaby to your bear dog hates you, bites you, and that's why you're sleeping. You don't want to be bitten, and that's why you're sleeping. Then you buy it now. You don't wait till later. $29.99, 50% off. It's $14.99. All the chisels, 12-piece with the wood case. That's amazing. That's amazing. Speaking of, I like this even better. Concrete hole saw kit. SDS Plus, SDS Max Shank by Vavor. Look at the handy dandy case it even comes with. It even looks all fancy and shit. So we have our different shanks. We have our mandrel for changing out the different heads. The heads, the cutters. I don't know what the technical term would be. I'm going to go with heads. I like head. $15.99. That's just a sale price. No coupon. No promo code needed. Start out at $40.67. Well, you couldn't get one of those, let alone all those sizes, for $15.99. That's a whole smorgasbord of head right there. 19-pocket Ool belt. They forgot the T. Adjusts from 32 inches to 54 inches. Polyester heavy-duty tool pouch bag. $7. $7.99. Okay, we'll round up. It's $8. It's under $10. Gotta have a tool belt. Otherwise, you're fiddling around playing pocket pool and not in a fun way. Not in a fun way. Trying to find that nut or screw. Pouches. Easier. I got these jeans. You want a quick story? I got these jeans. They're like old trash jeans. A bunch of holes in them and everything, but they're perfect for like doing yard work or working out in the garage or whatever because you don't got to give a damn about it. And for some reason, these things have the deepest damn pockets ever. They literally, the pocket goes down to like my knee. I was working on something the other day and I'm holding it up with one hand and I got a dig around in my pocket to get the screw out of my jeans. And I'm like, I can't even reach the bottom of this pocket. It is the bottomless pocket. Who thought this was a good idea? Who said, you know what these jeans need? Bigger front pockets. They should go all the way to the ankles. Like, what the hell is this? Man. You ever have like not even like a clothing item, but just something that you know there's a reason you don't use this item or why you don't like this item, but you use it infrequently enough that you forget, and then something happens, it's like, oh, that's why I don't wear these. Next, wood router. Oh, this is really good too. You get the fixed base, you get the plunge base, wood trimmer router combo. 30, another 0, 30,000 RPM, 6 variable speeds, quarter and 5/16 collets. Another Vavor deal, 55% off. $60? Not bad. Not bad, but 30% promo code, 25% coupon, under $30. You're getting both bases, variable speed, onboard air compressor kit, 150 PSI off-road air compressor, portable tire inflator, 60% off, normally $129.99. Price these things out, they're very expensive. It's why I've never put one on the Jeep. 50% promo code, 10% coupon, under $60, under $50, right? Is that the math? I want one so bad. I got this little Siren PA system that I bought for the Jeep, and I was trying to find a place to mount the speaker thing. I can't find any place in there to mount it. So that's the only reason I haven't bought that. I was going to buy this. I'm looking around like, I don't even know where people mount this damn thing because I got no space. I'm not trying to hog things. I'm trying to tuck it in somewhere. Otherwise, I would love to have it. And it's got really good reviews. The reviews aren't showing up here. Open up the page. Look at the reviews. People talk about how much this thing kicks ass. Welding table, 20 inches by 30 inches. Flip it around. 400-pound capacity. You can get one bare leg on that thing. Workbench table on wheels. I don't see the wheels. Does it really? It says on wheels. Am I missing the wheels? Those don't look like wheels. They might be liars on the wheels. I don't know. Folding workbench with 3 1.1 inch slot, 3 tilt angles, adjustable height. It's by Vavor. 30% off, $78.99. That's a on-page coupon. We've had some welding deals lately. Actually, there might be one on the homepage or a page back if you need the welder to go with it. But always welcome when it's something kind of new, something we don't see a lot of. Propane torch weed burner with integrated 9.8 foot hose. Weed torch propane burner with flame control valve and self-igniting by Campfire. It's 45% off. Normally $46.69. 35% promo code. 10% coupon. $25-ish. You got to get the ones with the self-igniters. You don't want to be screwing around with having to light it on its own, especially when it's on a stick like that, and the damn other end, the business end of it's 3 feet away from you. You can't even reach that and hold the other end. Come on. That's very inconvenient. We're not trying to be inconvenient here. You want the igniter built right into it. You're just going to town. Burning them weeds. Melting snow. I'd really love to try it on my driveway to melt snow. How far would I get on like a little 20-pounder? Benchtop wood lathe. 10 by 18, half horsepower. Turning lathe machine. 5 variable speeds. And this one is also 30% off. Starts out at $239.99. That's an on-page coupon to get your 30%. That's about $70 off. So $170-ish. I've always wanted a lathe. I've never used a lathe. Damn it. Someday I'm going to get one. I need a place to put it first. We're working on that part. You guys will see it someday. Wire stripper. Third favorite kind of stripper. 10 to 24 AWG. 3-in-1 gauge. Wire stripper cutter crimper. Multipliers by Sofeezy. It's Sofeezy. A caveman could do it. 55% off. $16.99. So it's a 50% promo code through the 23rd, so it's good for today and tomorrow. And then there's a 5% coupon on the Amazon page. Now, if you click the text link here, there is another item. I believe it was just strictly a crimper, like a ratchet-style crimper. I'm pretty sure that's what the other item was. I really like these. So the first ones I ever saw were by Irwin, and I don't know if they actually came out there. That just happened to be the first one that I saw who made these. And now there's a million different brands. I have one of these from another brand that I can't remember, but it's one of these Amazon brands, and I compared it with the Irwins. It was like the same damn thing. I can't tell the difference in the two. And after years of having them, if I can't tell the difference, look, good enough for me. Now, see, you got this little guy here, and it pushes forward and back so you can adjust the depth of how much you're stripping. And then this little knob controls kind of like the strength of it. Normally, you don't got to play around with that, but different types of wire, sometimes you may have to dig in a little bit deeper to get the strip. And then other times, you know, a little lighter, maybe you don't want to cut all the way through it. But it's kind of weird how they're like spring-loaded, and these teeth come down, and then it separates, and it just rips it off. Look, for me, I think they work amazingly good. And because it's kind of a wide platform, you can do several wires at a time if you just have them all laying flat. But $16.99, 55% off. It's going to be like $8. Digital clamp meter, 6,000 count. Measures current voltage, resistance, data retention, non-contact voltage. Another Vavor deal. It's 41% off. Starts out at $21.99. That's a 41% promo code. Not sure when it expires, but it's good right now. Right now, even comes with the batteries. That set it over the edge right there. "14-in-1 multi-tool with safety locking. Professional stainless steel multi-tool pliers, pocket knife, bottle opener, screwdriver, nylon sheath by Fang Fo." They were Fang Fo fighting. 50% off. The 14-in-1 folding guy with the pliers, all the other little multi-tool guys. $14.99. Nice little tackle box tool, little glove box tool. Get you out of the bind maybe. So 50% off only makes it $7.50. Handy dandy thing to have around. Father's Day gift coming up. UV flashlight, blacklight, mini and powerful woods lamp USB. I'm not sure what that means. C LED rechargeable USB-C. Okay, I know that stand that part. What's powerful woods mean? Mini and powerful woods lamp. Woods like outdoor? Like woods lamp. What do you do with wood on this thing? USB-C LED rechargeable blacklight flashlight by Dark Beam. I really like that name, and it's like such an oxymoron because it's a flashlight and it's supposed to be bright, but it's a dark beam. And they don't just sell UV lights, because I can understand dark beam because UV, but they sell regular flashlights too. So in that instance, it doesn't necessarily apply. 50% off on this guy right here. Look at the regular price. Regular price is $10. It's not even bad for a rechargeable flashlight. Okay, UV light, but flashlight still. But then it's only going to be $4.99. Sure. Creep yourself out all you want. 2-pack outdoor lights, motion sensor, floodlight, 3 modes, 60,000 lumini. I think they're a liar. Dusk to dawn, solar-powered street light, waterproof security wall lights by Adermond. 50% off for the 2-pack here with the remotes. $34. Half of that, $17.50. 17. That doesn't make sense. $17. Ish. Got to add that ish in there. Got to give me a little buffer for that grade school, public school math. Diminishing skills, folks. It's like Joe Biden, but not nearly as bad yet. Love the wall lights. Got the little solar panel on the top. Got the 3 modes. It can be dim all night long. It can be dim all night and then it detects motion and then it gets really bright. Or it can be off and then detects motion and boom, bright. Never let them sneak up on you. Because they got permission to shoot to kill. They're not even going to wear their little identification vests. They're going to be plain clothes because they're trying to trick you. They want you to do something. They want to take out the target. But you can't let them. Got to keep a cool head. Got to beat them at the ballot box. Which is stuffed with votes from dead people. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.